This is a brief tutorial on how to access the ebook and purchase it. First of all, you will go to this link. Click on this link. In order to access the link to purchase the book, you go to this. In order to purchase the book, you go to this link. Click on this link. And then on this page, what you will notice here is you'll notice the book, the name and the title of the book. And then you scroll down and you come to this, print ebook. Click on that. And then you have some choices here. This choice on the left is the one you want, McGraw-Hill ebook. And you'll notice that you can either rent the book for 180 days at $50, or you can buy it for a lifetime for $80. After you've made your selection, you'll be given another code. And when you find that code, then you want to go back to the next link on the description here. This link here. Click on that link in order to set up your ebook.